Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a follow-up on the Tokyo session trade setups that I had posted about an hour ago. They made their break, and I just wanted to go over the price action and what I was watching for and when I entered and cleared and whatnot. Anyway, I went ahead and drew this on here just to show the consolidation squeeze. They are coming into play. They are forming. And they are making the breaks. I didn't, the trade setup that I posted said it was to watch for a break of 157. I neglected to remind you to watch these highs here, and you can see this candle did make the break, but it didn't get past these highs, and I didn't enter here because the price action was kind of weak. And usually when it does make a poke past these prior highs, it will pull back a little bit, and so anyway, it pulled back quite a bit actually, and then made another attempt. And so on this attempt, the price action looked a little strong, so I got in right around 157, because after I knew it was making that second attempt, that the buying, the bulls were winning, and the buying was coming into the market, so I was hoping for a decent push up. Well, it did finally push up and hit this trend line and sat there for a little bit, and then it pushed above and then met the 157.50. I was waiting for that to weaken and then break through there. It didn't happen, and then it came back down and sat on top of the trend line as support. And it sat there for quite a while, and then it tried to make another attempt toward 157.50 there, but it didn't quite work out. And then once it dropped below, it really started to tick the pips off. So I ended up getting out with about 25 pips just after it broke under the trend line. Yeah, it was about 25 pips, with my spread and whatnot. So anyway, it's a quick move. But what I do like and what is promising that the consolidation break, and there was if you played the consolidation break, yes, you could have got in earlier. But this retracement could have stopped you out if you would have went to break even or whatnot. That's why I was just waiting for confirmation of the move, a continuing move upward on a break of, or at least a clean break of 157. And then the other one we were looking at was the euro yen. Another nice consolidation squeeze that had formed and made the break. And I did not take this trade. I like the pound yen better. But this ended up being a cleaner trade. Just a quick 50 pips, bounce back down. This is the Tokyo candle that opened, and Tokyo's opening down. So those of you that are in, I hope got out with some profit instead of riding that back down. When you have an opportunity to grab 30, 40, 50 pips, you should at least take partial on a move like that. No need to get greedy in the Tokyo session. Sometimes it doesn't move all that much. But for a quick, 1 hour trade, it's not too bad. Anyway, just want to take a look at the cable. This was another thing I was watching for. If it did break down, I was hoping the cable was going to drop down here to around the 150 to the 65 level. But it didn't do it. It broke out of the support line squeeze, squeezing down along here, which was around 65.50, I believe. Let me pull this out. 65.40. That area. So, but anyway, and then that broke out of the squeeze and made a little move up. The pound, of course, the pound dollar doesn't get as much trading as the yen pairs do during the Tokyo and Asian session. So that's why I didn't take this trade. I just thought the pound yen had more of a chance of moving, taking a better move. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to go over those. I wanted to point out those squeezes and how they broke. And just of course can go over to the reactions with the price action around the trend line and the support resistance area of 157.50. I did have this down at I think 157.45, but I just moved it because, you know, on the pound yen, these round numbers, the minor psych levels of 50, the 50s, and the round numbers, which I call the major psych levels, tend to hold up really well. And on this trade, it did bounce directly off of 50, so I went ahead and adjusted it from 45 to 50. And that's how I manage my support resistance lines. You're always adjusting them or removing them. But like I said, I like to leave them on my charts because they hold up. Okay, guys, I'll get this posted as a follow-up in a little while. And I hope some of you can make it to the London European session trade room. Opens an hour and a half before London open. And we do pretty much the same thing, but live. And usually another trader, Martin from Switzerland, joins in. And so I give some trades, he gives some trades, and we talk about price action and answer questions, guys. So, you know, feel free to use the room. It's a free resource for now. So anyway, you guys take care, and we'll talk to you soon.